What's going on, guys? Danny Detours here, and I just wanted to get on and do a quick video this morning. I wanted to just discuss like what I've been doing the past couple of days and the benefits in which I've been receiving from it. I found this method out online. Well, it's actually two things that I've been doing, and I've been practicing it for the last couple of days. The first method is the Wim Hof Breathing Technique, and I've been doing that for the last couple of days. And honestly, like, I can't even like put it into words how you feel whilst doing it, especially when you come in. See, I do the one on YouTube, and it usually lasts about 12 minutes. But you can do a shorter version if you want. And literally all you're doing is you're going like control breathing, but you do it 30 times. So you go out, that's one, all the way to 30. And then when you get to 30, you take a massive deep breath and you go, and then you hold it, and then you're out, let it all out, and then you hold your breath. And you do that the first round, you do it for a minute. And then you rinse and repeat, so then you go back to doing the normal breathing, the in, out 30 times. And then the second round, you hit a minute and 30 seconds, So, yeah, it's, and then I think you do that for about 3 rounds. But honestly, for anyone out there that's like struggling with circulation problems, mental health, but what this does, it sends oxygen to the parts of your body, and also it's good for your sleep. I noticed the last 2 nights I've been having absolutely fantastic sleep. And also it's good for like repairing your gut microbiome. It's good for your brain. Basically, it's a good full reset for your body. And I'm going to start doing a couple more videos on this regarding these methods. But yeah, I tried it and I couldn't even believe it, because obviously I'm a type 1 diabetic, and I have to like kind of like watch what I eat. I don't know if anyone else is, and if you're diabetic, put down in the comments and let me know on how your plan's going. But also, just any questions or anything like that, I'll put down in the comments what you think, or have you tried the Wim Hof breathing techniques? But yeah, and just the benefits from it, like literally the ends of my fingers were like tingling and my toes. But with being diabetic, you get there's things called retinopathy, which basically, because of your blood sugars, if you don't have them under control or stabilized, you get basically it's your circulation, because the glucose is raised and is in your system more. It causes your arteries to like clog up basically, and they get like plaque on them, which is like fat or glucose. So yeah, I'm gonna be implementing this breathing technique now. I will probably say I'll probably be doing it a good few times a week. I might even start trying to implement it every day. But I just invite everyone to give it a try. So obviously you breathe, check it out. Just go on to YouTube and check out the Wim Hof breathing technique and give it a go. And I was like, because apparently they reckon like if you meditate for long enough, this is how you, and not only that, it opens up your pineal gland as well. So, like, because you're getting oxygen to the parts of your body that have never had it there before. And it improves your cardiovascular fitness, everything. So, yeah, I recommend you just to look at it and give it a try. But also, and I might do a separate video on this, but I'll discuss a little bit of it now. It's a very similar method, but this one's called intermittent hypoxia. And it's similar method where you just control your breathing, you go, but through your nose, not your mouth. So you go, and then hold your nose, and try and aim to hold your nose for, if you go as long as you can, But what I tend to find is like aim to do 4 rounds, but as you go more through the rounds, you're able to hold your breath longer because your body's opening up basically. And what this does, this releases stem cells within your body. So, and not only that, but if you was to go to another country like America or somewhere like that, or even like places like Mexico, and get or receive stem cell treatment, you're talking like $25,000 for a treatment, for you know, a dose of it. And see, like the people at the top, they don't want you to know that your body and the methods in which you implement towards it, these techniques, that you can repair your body. Because I was doing a lot of research into it, and apparently, I know this might sound crazy, but all we're surrounded by now is like disease, or like, you know, you got to look at the foods that we eat. Like even in the supermarkets, it's all geoengineered. We're not supposed to be eating any of them foods. Everything that we are supposed to be eating is supposed to be from seed based. So anything that was grown, anything that is grown from the earth, that is what we are supposed to be eating. Even meat, we're not supposed to be eating meat at all. But, you know, we'll not go too much into that. But yeah, intermittent hypoxia, and it releases stem cells naturally into your body. So if you've got any diseases, any aches and pains, or any conditions, doing these techniques on a daily basis, it goes towards the betterment of your health. So, you know, I honestly give it a try. So even if you just like look it up on Google, intermittent hypoxia, but most of all, the Wim Hof breathing technique. So give it a try. But yeah, I think we're going to leave it at that. To everyone who has liked, commented and subscribed to the channel, thank you so much. You know, I'm really happy with the way the channel's going. I think we might be doing another live today, but if not today, it'll be later on during the week. And also we have the lives on the Saturday and Sunday. I'm going to try and get them a little bit later, try and aim to do them in the dinner time. So then people, because I have a lot of my community who live in America, and they're never fully able to make the lives because obviously they're still in bed. So, but yeah, thank you so much to everyone who's supported. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. But for me, Danny Detours, are you all having a fantastic day. Love you loads. Peace.